Welcome to Homework Lib.
I'm given a cost function, and this is unit cost. I want to find the number of aircraft engines, which is X, so I can minimize cost. So I want to find the derivative of my cost function. I'm just going to use power rule. 0.9 times 2 is going to give me 1.8x minus 594. I'm going to set that equal to 0. Add 594 to both sides. So 594 equals 1.8x. Divide both sides by 1.8. And I get x is 330. I want to confirm that that value is a minimum. So I'm going to test 300 and 350 in my derivative. C prime of 300 is going to give me 1.8 times 300 minus 594. That's going to give me negative 54, so this is a negative region. C prime of 350, 1.8 times 350 minus 594, that's going to give me a positive 36, so this is a plus. So what that tells me is my graph is decreasing and then increasing. So that point is indeed a minimum. So the number of engines to minimize cost is 330 engines.